Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So firstly, I would just like to mention that we just hit 10,000 subscribers and we are a family of 10k. It's just unbelievable. So thank you so much to everyone who has supported this channel and has given me so much love through comments or through just supporting the entire thing and just loving my content, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Please do keep up with the support. It really means a lot, and it's just encouraging when I see all those positive comments and replies as well. So yeah, thank you so much. So now I'm just going to jump into the video, and as you guys know that Huda Beauty is officially going to be launched in India on Nykaa.com, and I was super excited when I came to know about this. I'm sure most of you must be as well. So I have actually tried a lot of their products earlier and I have made videos on them as well, but I thought that before they actually launch, I should give you guys an overview of all of the products and let you guys know which are actually worth spending on, or which are the products you should skip out and not buy because their products are extremely expensive. This video is not sponsored in any sort of way. Nykaa hasn't sent me these products. I have bought them myself, but I just thought that I should give you guys an honest and unbiased opinion and review, because obviously there will be a lot of bloggers talking about it, but as you guys know that I am completely honest on this particular channel and I'm just going to give you an honest opinion of everything. So I really hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, before we begin, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, please do that. It'll really mean a lot. And yeah, let's get started. So as you guys know that Huda Beauty is actually a beauty blogger. She started off like that and now she has her own product line. So initially she started off with eyelashes, and I actually have one in front of me right now. So these are the Samantha lashes in number 7. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. Her lashes, it became extremely popular, and that is when she extended her product line, and then she had lip liners and liquid lipsticks, and then eyeshadow palettes, and then highlighting palettes, and then mini eyeshadow palettes, and now foundation and primer and brushes as well. So it's actually growing as a brand. So I'm going to talk to you all about one by one product, and obviously I do not have everything from her brand because obviously it's a really expensive brand, but I'm obviously going to mention the prices on the screen or somewhere from where I've bought it, and this is going to be in some other currency. I'll try to convert it into rupees and let you guys know the price. I'm obviously not sure on what exactly she's going to be launching on Nykaa.com, but I am hoping that she comes out with everything that her brand offers. So first we're going to talk about the lashes. So this is what the lashes look like, and as I mentioned that these are the Samantha lashes. Again, her lashes are extremely good quality. Okay, and I'm just going to show you this one particularly, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and this is the packaging that she has. So I have used these lashes twice and I must say that they're very good quality. You can reuse them multiple times as well. They are slightly longer for my eye shape, so I had to trim them, but otherwise I feel like if you are a makeup professional or if you really love lashes or if you wear lashes really often, then these are a very good pair to have. They're very good quality as I mentioned. But again, if you are a person who wears lashes a lot of times, and if you think that you can get use out of these, then only go ahead and spend your money, because again these are expensive. I got them for around 18 to 20 euros, which is really pricey for eyelashes. So I just feel that obviously they're very fluffy and they're very good quality, but if you do not use eyelashes or if you do not know how to apply eyelashes or it's your first time, then do not spend so much on eyelashes. You can definitely try using pack eyelashes initially because they are much affordable, and then gradually you can buy something like these which are very good quality. Next product I'm going to talk to you all about is their lip pencils, and they are called as the Huda Beauty lip contours. I have two shades right here. The first one is Trendsetter and the second is Bombshell, and this is what they look like. I had shade Icon as well, but I cannot find it. So this is what Trendsetter looks like, and then this is Bombshell. These are some of their popular shades, and I would definitely recommend you guys getting the shade Trendsetter because it will suit a lot of skin tones as well, and it's a nice nude color. You can wear it by itself or you can layer other lipsticks on top of it. Bombshell is lighter for my particular skin tone, so you can skip out on that. But if you are a person who has lighter skin, then you can go for Bombshell. But otherwise, Trendsetter is the one that I would recommend you guys. These lip contours are really creamy and pigmented as well. They glide onto your lips really well. You have to sharpen them obviously, but again, they are pricey, so it actually depends on you. The quality of all of these products is really good, but then they are pricey. It's up to you if you really want to spend so much on lip pencils, because there are other affordable options as well. Like NYX has good ones. I'm actually going to list some of them in the description box below for you guys. So it's up to you. I definitely like these and the product is really good, but then they are pricey, so I'm going to leave it up to you if you want to spend your money on it. One more thing I'd like to mention is that the lip pencils are slightly drying, not too much obviously, but again, lip pencils are usually drying, so make sure that you prep your lips before applying these lip pencils. Now we're going to move on to one of the most popular products from her brand, and then these are the liquid matte lipsticks. And when I saw that she's launching them, I made sure that I get my hands on these. I got them from cultbeauty.uk. I absolutely love that website. There are so many brands available, and all of those obviously it's a legit website. They do not sell fake products, but I just love these liquid lipsticks so much. They're one of the best formulas in the market. They're extremely thin in texture and they glide onto your lips really well. Again, their quality is really good. They are extremely pigmented and they stay on your lips for a very, very long time. They are kind of transfer proof as well. That's why I love these, and you should definitely get these liquid lipsticks. Do not think about it. The price is worth it. And I'm just going to show you the shades that I have. So the first one is Trendsetter and the second is Icon. And I had one more shade which was a red shade. And again, I cannot find it anywhere. It's, I think, called Cheerleader. It's a very pretty red color. Okay, so if you are into bright colors, then you can go for that particular shade. But again, as you guys know, I love nude lipsticks. So I got these two shades. I'm just going to swatch them for you guys. The packaging on these liquid lipsticks is also really good. I just wish that they had like a point, okay, to this particular applicator so that you can, apply it really precisely. But otherwise, I just love these. I'm just going to show you the shades now. So this particular one is Trendsetter. As you can see, it's a really nice nude color which will go on so many skin tones, and this one is in the shade Icon. Personally, I like Icon much better as compared to Trendsetter because it's just a very unique shade, and I like these kind of rosy nude colors, and that's the reason I prefer Icon. But again, Trendsetter is also a really beautiful color, so it's up to your preference. But this is what both of them look like. They're so pretty, and as you can see, extremely matte and just beautiful pigmentation. So without overthinking, just get these liquid lipsticks. They're totally worth the price. Now we're going to talk about their eyeshadow palette, which received a lot of mixed reviews, and I personally think that it's really expensive. Okay, that is my first thought. So this is the Huda Beauty textured eyeshadow palette, and this is the rose gold edition. She came out with other one as well, but I obviously couldn't spend my money on that one. So this was, I think, for around 6,000 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yes, 6,000 rupees. So it is extremely pricey. So again, it's up to you if you want to spend so much money on an eyeshadow palette. If you are a makeup professional, again, maybe you can go for something like this, but I just don't feel that it's worth it. Firstly, the packaging could have been better. If you're paying 6,000 rupees for an eyeshadow palette, I definitely expect better packaging. Okay, and it just looks like this. Obviously, it's really convenient that you can, see all the colors over here and all of those things. And the color selection itself is really pretty. So on top, as you can see, you have all the textured shades right here, and then you have a lot of beautiful matte shades as well. And I really like the color selection in this particular eyeshadow palette. I just wish that the packaging was much better and that it would have been slightly less pricey, and I just feel that the price is really not worth it. And again, some of these shades were kind of chalky, but others blended really well. So there's a combination of things in this particular eyeshadow palette. So definitely I would suggest that you can do without this particular eyeshadow palette as well. There are other palettes which you can spend your money on. The next product that I'm going to talk to you about is actually the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. Now, I was extremely skeptical about trying this particular foundation because it is extremely full coverage, and you know, it gives that semi matte texture, and I am that sort of a person who loves natural looking foundations which are really thin in texture, and you know, that is what I like. And they're dewy foundations. That is the kind of foundations I gravitate towards, and this was, you know, nothing of, you know, what I really wanted. But I thought that I should give it a try because so many people have raved about this product, and I went ahead and I purchased it on cultbeauty.uk, and I got the shade Leches or Leches, and this is 320G. Firstly, it was really difficult to find out which particular shade to go for because they have a bunch of them. I think they have around 30 to 40 shades, which is insane. So even though it's a very good thing because, you know, you can definitely find out a shade for yourself, lighter skin tones, deeper skin tones, you're definitely going to find something for yourself. But it's so confusing for normal people to, you know, figure out which shade to go for. After a lot of swatches and reviews and reading blogs and, you know, everything, reading descriptions, I finally figured out that I should go for this particular shade. Firstly, I will just like to tell you that I really love this foundation, and that's because it just gives a beautiful finish to your skin. As I mentioned, that this is a very full coverage foundation, so you can just apply like small amounts of it on your face and it blends really nicely on your skin, and it looks amazing. As you can see, I have used it on my skin today and it looks beautiful, and that is the reason I would definitely, you know, recommend trying this particular foundation out. I would just like to mention that this is a semi-matte foundation, so if you are a person who has dry skin, definitely make sure that you're applying a lot of moisturizer on your skin, or you can just mix a bit of oil in this particular foundation and then apply it on your face, because this can be slightly drying, not too much. But otherwise, if you have combination skin or oily skin, you're definitely going to love this. And if you are a person who has a lot of blemishes and you want to cover them, this is a very good option because it covers really well. It has a lot of pigment in it. One more usage of this particular product is that you can use it on any part of your body as well. So if you are a person who has dark spots on their back, or you have back acne, or if you have some dark spots on your arms or your legs and you want to cover something of that sort because you're wearing something which is going to, you know, get exposed, and you want to cover that particular part up, then you can definitely use this foundation on that as well. And that is what I really liked about it. My sister, you know, she was wearing something which was slightly backless and she wanted, you know, for her back to be perfectly flawless, and I used this particular product and it just made such a difference. Obviously, you need to set it with powder as well when you use something like this, but it's just a very beautiful product. And I'm just going to show you the packaging first. So this is what it looks like. Love the packaging. Again, it has a pump, which is a very good thing. I'm just going to show you the shade that I got. Okay, so if you are a person who has similar skin tone to mine, then you can go for something like this. This has a lot of yellow undertones to it, so it's going to look really nice. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's super full coverage. Okay, but even if it's full coverage, the finish is just beautiful on your skin, and I cannot talk enough good things about this particular product. So definitely recommend getting this particular one. Again, this is slightly expensive. This was for around 40 euros, I guess, but totally worth the money. So yeah, I think I spoke too much today, and this video is definitely going to be really long, but I just wanted to give you guys a thorough review on all of these products, and I really hope you liked it. And if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also let me know in the comments down below which are other Huda Beauty products that you would really love to try. And yeah, last but definitely not the least, follow me on my social media: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, everywhere. And last but definitely not the least, hit the subscribe button. It will really mean a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.